Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. Local testing of devices to allow current televisions to receive next-generation digital signals has reached an advanced stage. The plan is to have these devices sold in the local market to allow current TV sets to receive the new NextGen TV digital signals. Javon Keys reports.
TVJ Jamaica says it has been working with set-top box manufacturers to fine-tune the functionality of the devices locally. A set-top box converts over-the-air digital broadcast signals to analog for televisions. Set-top box manufacturer Sankhya Labs, headquartered in India, is one of the companies testing boxes for local next-gen TV use. Sankhya has partnered with U.S. digital media solutions company Talca to execute the testing. The companies say, based on the work done, a number of set-top boxes and dongles which may be used locally will be showcased at the Consumer Electronics Show to be held in Las Vegas in January 2023. TVJ says more than 4 different set-top boxes and other devices, including cell phones, dongles for phones and TVs, and TV sets have been tested. Most televisions being sold currently do not have an ATSC 3.0 receiver installed. In January 2022, TVJ Jamaica became the first local media house to begin next-generation television broadcast as part of the government-mandated digital switchover. Jamaica is the 3rd country in the world to start ATSC 3.0 TV broadcasting. The RJ Aglina Communications Group, of which TVJ Jamaica is a member, plans to spend about $7.5 million on the transition. Analog switch-off is set for 2023. For the Business Day, I'm Javon Keys.